Ionic propulsion, I can show you a video of Ionic propulsion, which NASA claims to use, not working in a vacuum because there's nothing to push off. If I'm on a skateboard and I push off a wall, I push off a wall on the skateboard. My arms are object A. I'm attached to the skateboard, and the wall is object B, and I'm pushing off it. Now, if I start doing this on the skateboard, I'll push the back of my head. I'm not going to move anywhere, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the rocket pushing off in a vacuum?
What's it steering with?
The burning of the fuel. Well, okay. The burning of what's happening is the burning of the fuel. Let's just say the explosion from the fuel. It's going in every direction, but in the direction downwards, there's nothing there. So the thrust doesn't actually push down. The thrust actually pushes up. So in the combustion chamber, the explosion goes in every direction, but the only direction that has something to push back on it is above it. So what happens is the thrust pushes up, and then the rocket pushes back. So that would be how. Yeah, that's basic.
It's pushing off itself.
Correct. Yeah, but this is like if you were on a skateboard, like if you were sitting, or even in one of those chairs like I'm sitting on now that have wheels, and you held the bowling ball, and you threw the bowling ball. The bowling ball would go in one direction, you would go in the other, because you're pushing off the inertia of the ball.
Let me get here. Exactly. So the mass of the ball is now object B. In a vacuum, there's still no object B.
No. That would work in what I just illustrated there with the ball, the bowling ball, and the wheel, the chair with wheels would work in a vacuum or
I agree.
Yeah,
I agree. So in a vacuum, these rockets would literally have to expel almost all of their fuel just to move a little bit.
The vacuum situation is interesting because the vacuum would pull the thrust out, kind of like a vacuum cleaner, and it may be easier to pull it out than it is for the combustion to press up on the.
You have two problems
on the rocket engine.
You can't have combustion in a vacuum, and we have.
They bring their own oxygen
in a vacuum chamber. We have rockets that don't move. They literally.
Wait a minute.